ইন্ডিয়াতে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছো না? তোমার ইন্ডিয়ান ন্যাশনাল আইডি আছে? আছে, গুড। তাহলে
कौन से घर पे है?
हम लोग कोलकाता पे जहाँ रहते थे भाड़ा में उधर है।
क्यों नहीं लिया? यहाँ कैसे पहुँच गए?
हम लोग को जो लाया
यहाँ पे अभी किसने दिन में आपको पूछ किया? यहाँ कौन भगा रहा था?
नहीं रात में लाया था।
अभी कहाँ पे थे आप?
he never come to Bangladesh. He already born in India. And his father is Indian citizenship.
If they have any
Please,
kind of
he is Indian
documents,
citizenship.
will
Maybe his mother may be Bangladeshi, but they both four are Indian citizenship.
who will decide this thing? Just saying by them, it's not going to be proved. Until or unless there will be any kind of document.
Proof our in front of. He already acknowledged. He born in India and he never come to Bangladesh.
ये
And-
कौन सा बोल रहे थे? क्या कहते हैं ये वो कहाँ?
তুমি এখন কোথায় থেকে আসছো বলো?
Verify their
না না দয়া
identities,
করো।
না?
তুমি ইন্ডিয়াতে কতদিন আগে অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছো বলো? কতদিন আগে? এক সপ্তাহ আগে ইন্ডিয়াতে অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছো। তারপরে এখানে আসছো কতদিন হলো? এখানে কখন আসছো?
যেখানে বাড়ি তোমরা সেখানে থাকো।
আচ্ছা
কলকাতায় থেকো না।
হ্যাঁ তুমি আচ্ছা রাইট মেনে নিলাম তুমি ইন্ডিয়াতে ছিলা, ইন্ডিয়া থেকে এক সপ্তাহ আগে অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছো, অ্যারেস্ট হয়ে এখানে আসছো, ইন্ডিয়া থেকে তোমাকে এখানে নিয়ে আসছে কোন দিন? কোন দিন?
मैटर ये है, देखो मुने
গতকালকে গতকালকে আসছো? কোথায় থেকে আসছো? ইন্ডিয়া থেকে না বাংলাদেশ থেকে?
the whole
কোন জায়গা থেকে?
issue is about the identity.
ইন্ডিয়ান কোন প্রদেশ থেকে আসছো? বনগা ইন্ডিয়া। তাহলে তাহলে আর কি বোঝাতে চাচ্ছেন? ব্রো, সে ইন্ডিয়াতে অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছে এক সপ্তাহ আগে, সে গতকালকে আসছে, তাহলে কিভাবে হোয়াই ওয়ে আর পুশিং?
Main issue is about their identity. They are Bangladeshi nationals. First thing, second,
I guess they are Bangladeshi,
second.
but there are
Listen to
legal
me.
way. But there are legal way.
Listen to me.
You are throwing our error. You are trying to push him in
He
Bangladesh.
had not tried or
But
pushed
they
them.
already in front of.
No. The situation is like that. You people
They
are pushing
They
them.
born in India. Last two female. Arrest them and
No,
we should
will not,
come to
will
legal
not
way.
allow them to cross IP.
যাইতেছে রে তারা একটু
We
কথা
will
বলতেছে
not
তো।
allow. We will not never allow. I think it will not disposal easy, but we need to call a flag meeting by CU level. By CU level.
CO level.
CU
yes.
level
That-
flag meeting.
Which I already asked from you.
Already I have informed my CO, and I think you should inform your CO.
I had already informed him, but he didn't got any call from your CEO.
My CO already informed that your CO are admitted. CO is admitted to the hospital.
No.
So I think we need fixed time to held a flag meeting.
First of all, your CEO had not contacted with my CEO.
Already my CO are tried.
No,
Right.
right,
Right.
but he didn't spoken to my CEO. First, they have to speak together. Then they will decide what will be the next course of action. Okay. And about this thing, he pushing will not accept. That's
We will not accept pushing illegally, but there are legal way, and it will.
that's why I am asking from you, na, legal ways. There is no evidence, and there is no
This,
any kind of activity from
the
our
evidence are in front of.
But
No.
the situation is like that. You people
They
are pushing
They
them.
born in India. Last two female. Please ask her. They born in India and they has Indian NID. What is right? What is wrong?
Who born in India?
He has Indian. Please ask.
All things has to be verified by your side. It's not a thing you'll start pushing them in daylight.
Please ask. Ask
It's
her.
your job to ask.
No.
na?
Why?
We
It is
will
illegal.
not accept crossing IB.
I think it is making a noise, but it is not right. It
Right.
is totally illegal.
Yes, the same thing we are saying. It's a total illegal thing. Pushing through the IB, it's a total
It is not
illegal thing.
accepted.
Our people are watching, and then you guys are pushing them in a broad daylight, and then
No.
you had not.
They already acknowledged them. They came from India. Legal way.
Yes.
But it is illegal way.
Yes, same thing I am saying to you. It's a
No.
illegal way
They,
to push through
they
the
came
IB.
here last night from India.
We are not.
And it is
in
pushing
knowledge of that thing.
it is pushing by BSF from India.
It doesn't happen from RAR. That's I can assure you.
No, bro. Firstly, I have.
No, I'm
I
not
have-
here to satisfy you.
Hey.
No, I'm saying something or you are not agreeing to me.
Bangladesh
It's
is
not
small
up to me.
country. Bangladesh is small country. We know that India is big country, but you cannot illegally push in Bangladesh. There are various
And you can
tribes.
push
They are
into the India.
use people in Bangladesh is small country.
You can push into the India.
No.
So you are doing the same thing, no?
No.
But you are doing at present time.
No.
You are doing the same thing.
Arrest them and
No,
we
no,
show
we
them
will not,
comes to
will
legal
not
way.
allow them to cross IB.
যাইতেছে রে তারা একটু
We
কথা
will
বলতেছে
not
তো
allow. We will not never allow.
Then standoff will continue.
You are showing bad activities.
You guys are showing bad activity. How come you can say we are saying?
You are showing bad
But
activities
how come-
because they came from India.
How come it is possible? We
It
saw
is
you
possible.
people are
It is
pushing through
possible
the
by BSF.
IB in broad daylight.
No,
You guys are pushing.
Will not
We had
accept.
seen this.
never ever
We
will
have
not
the
accept.
recording of all
Please.
activities.
Excellency, believe or not, really come from
I am
India.
not here to listen
Really
your
come from
any
India.
kind of
Ah.
speech. I am saying facts which are